Hi, my name is Jacqueline. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like on the video. I'm trying to help spread awareness about animal cruelty and neglect. Oh my goodness, this dog is nothing but skin and bones. I'm surprised he's even moving. He looked not. He's only got bones and a little hair. What happened to him? If I seen him, I'd have picked him up and taken him right to the vet. He doesn't even look like he's there. I'm surprised he's breathing. Yeah, it wouldn't be hard to care for someone or an animal like that. You would need to take him to the vet and he would eat medicine and everything, a complete workup to make sure he's okay. His breathing was shallow. Yeah, if you guys hadn't found him, I don't think he'd have been alive another day. Maybe you guys got to him just in time. He had a hard time eating because if he hasn't eaten in a while, his stomach would be very small, so he wouldn't be able to digest much. Oh my goodness. How could anyone see an animal in that kind of a shape and just leave it alone? Oh my goodness, that dog is so strong to still be hanging on with the way he looks. Yeah, he looks like a skeleton. That's why I said I'm surprised he's alive. Oh my goodness. He wanted to go for walks even though it hurt because he wanted to get better. Oh my goodness. He would need a lot of care. Oh, they found a foster family to help him get better through an animal rescue organization. Now that is what I like to see. Oh my goodness. He needs a bath to get all that stuff off of him. Yeah, he doesn't look like he's going to be around very long. He looks really sick. Look at his skin. All you can see is his bones sticking out, his ribs. His legs have no muscle tissue at all. It's like he's just there. Oh my goodness. What disease does he have? And I wonder if that's why he ended up being abandoned, is because he had some disease. And they just got rid of him. Oh, he just got a treat. He likes that. At least he's eating. Oh, he's up and walking around, not just sitting. That helps. Severe bacterial infection that had eaten up his bones. No wonder he's having a hard time moving. It ate all his muscle tissue. So with some antibiotics, would he be able to get better? Or would he be skinny like this forever? Oh, oh, he's moving fast. 3 months of anti-infectives. He's moving a lot better now. Okay, that halter and lead is so cute on him. And very green. That's my son's favorite color, is that green. Oh, his furs come back. He looks so good. That's what I like to see, is animals happy and healthy and being taken care of. Agile and vivacious running around. Yeah. He looks like a puffball now. Oh, he looks like he's going to take a nap right in the middle of the bed. My dog loves sleeping with me. Although usually she tries to push me out of the bed. Oh, he's so cute. I wonder what kind of dog he is. I think he looks like a terrier mix. I think. Not sure. Now that's the way any dog should be when they see their owner get home. So excited and happy and bouncy. Actually, I think this dog has more energy than my dog. And I didn't think that was possible. He's just so excited. Oh, I think he's a terrier mix or something, or part Yorkie, or full York. He's so excited and so happy. You'd make me dizzy if you run that much. Aww, he looks a lot better. From the before picture to now, he is so beautiful. Aww. Oh. Oh, is you gonna give him kisses? Aww. Uh-oh. He's wearing the cone. They probably got him fixed. It's always important to get your animals fixed or neutered or spayed to help control the population so we don't have so many puppies just out on their own. And that way we don't have a lot of puppies and babies and tons of animals that people don't have the means to take care of running around. The same thing with cats. They need to be spayed and neutered because they procreate, especially out in the wild, all the time. The dog says, nope, no kitty cat. My dog does the same thing. As soon as she gets in bed, she chases the cat right out of it. All animals need is love and care and understanding. He's telling the cat no. Right under the covers. I had a cat that was hairless at one point, and that cat would climb under the covers and sleep on me every single night under the covers. Ooh, what is that? That is so yummy looking. Looks like a Rice Krispies treat. It's gonna take him a while to eat that. Uh-oh. Ooh, yummy. Make sure you chew that. He looks much better. I am glad these people were able to take him, rescue him, and find him a place. Rescue organizations do so much work and spend so much money helping the animals to get better that it's always amazing to see the transformation between what they looked like and how they are later. Uh-oh. He looks so cute. Aww. Uh-oh, he's in the water. Oh, he's playing fetch. That's cool. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. And anytime you think you see anything that could be animal abuse, please report it to the proper authorities or your local animal shelter. And please leave a comment on other videos you would like for me to comment on.